In this video, you are going to see the unboxing, features, price and some extra details about a budget-friendly mobile gimbal. The brand of this gimbal is IZI Go X or IZI Go X. I have added the link for this gimbal in the description box so you can check the updated price. At the time of recording, it is available for 6,799 rupees. This is what the box looks like. There are many features listed on the box as you can see here. The box also shows an MRP of 16,999 rupees. The best part about this gimbal is that you can use it with both Android and iOS devices. These days mobile phones comes with great camera setups but often lacks proper stabilization, and this is where a gimbal comes in to solve that problem. In the past, I have reviewed many gimbals priced under 10,000 rupees and even under 15,000 rupees. My favorite gimbal is from DJI. Inside the box, first we get a carry case for the gimbal. Below that, there is a base tripod with legs that can be attached to the bottom of the gimbal. This is made entirely of plastic. Next, you get a USB-C to Type A cable for charging the gimbal. Then you have the gimbal itself followed by a quick start guide that explains how to use it and connect the app. That's it. These are the items included in the box. Let's have a quick overview of the gimbal. It's very compact and comes folded. Now I'm going to unfold it so you can see what it looks like. Now talking about the features, first there is a joystick controller followed by a power on or off button and a record button. If you observe closely, you will notice a small screen on the top of the joystick, which I'll explain in a moment. Meanwhile, let's turn it and see what we get. On the left side, there is a knob that is useful for controlling the focus. This is an impressive feature that I haven't even seen on some high-end gimbals. Below that, you have a zoom in and zoom out slider. On the back, a small cutout is designed to lock the gimbal in place when it's folded. At the bottom, there is a good grip is provided, and also a small cutout is there to attach the any tags. And below that, a threaded hole where the base tripod attaches like this. There is also a warning sticker on the handle of the gimbal, which you can see here. On the right side, a USB Type-C port is provided for charging. Another cool feature is that you can actually remove the battery of this gimbal. So if the battery has completed its charging cycles or dies, you can easily replace it with a new one. This is a mind-blowing option for every user. The battery capacity is 3200 mAh and you can easily find similar batteries in the market. This means that in the future, if the battery dies, you won't need to go to a service center. You can just change it yourself, much like replacing a battery in a flashlight. The battery door panel attaches magnetically and very quickly. However, be careful not to use this gimbal in wet conditions. Now I'm going to turn it on. As you can see on the display, it shows the battery level along with the current mode we are in. Additionally, there is a soft light on the backside of the gimbal which can be controlled via the app. I'm planning to post a dedicated video as a beginner's guide on how to use this gimbal, followed by a full in-depth review after thorough testing. If you're watching this video later, be sure to check the description box for any updates. So these are my first impressions of this gimbal. It actually looks great, and to me it feels like a product that should cost around 10,000 rupees. Let's see how well it performs in real-time scenarios. This video is just the unboxing and my initial impressions of the gimbal, guys. I have provided all the related links including the one I used to purchase it online in the description box. That's it for today's video. Here are some other videos related to various gimbals if you're searching for the best mobile gimbal.